To set up AutoPay, select the Account Statement tab and select Edit AutoPay. A payment method must be added before setting up AutoPay. To add one, select Add a Payment Method. Select the Select Payment Method drop-down menu and choose your desired payment method. You may use credit, checking, or savings accounts for payment. Select Next to continue. Fill out your payment method details and select Next to save. Your new payment method will be added under the section Payment Method. Ensure your desired auto payment method is checked off. Select Enable AutoPay to complete setting up AutoPay. You will be returned to the Account Statement tab. Once AutoPay is set up, your invoices will be automatically paid on the invoice due date as they become available. Setting up AutoPay will also make payment on outstanding invoices. To view the payment status of your invoices, in the Account Statement tab, check the Payment Status column. The status Payment Scheduled means AutoPay was successfully set up. If available, hover over the eye icon for more information. Only one payment method can be used in Esker. If you would like to use multiple payment options, contact us via chat or web form at support.moodmedia.com. To disable AutoPay or to use another payment method for AutoPay, in the Account Statement tab, select Edit AutoPay. To change your payment method, select Use another payment method. To disable AutoPay, select Disable AutoPay. You will be returned to the Account Statement tab.